Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on Merrick Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a merrickbank.com and press enter. At the official web page of Merrick Bank, you will see the login form page where you need to provide your account credential, that is your username or email and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Merrick Bank. As we are going to get registered, you need to click on the link given below, that is not enrolled. Sign up now. You click on it. For the enrollment, you have to go through these 3 steps. At very first, you need to provide all the details exactly as they appear on your card. At very first, you go in for providing your account number. Then you go in for providing your date of birth. Then you provide your social security number, last 4 of SSN. After you provide all the details, you need to click on next where you will be redirected to the another page. There are more 2 steps before the completion of the enrollment. You need to follow the procedure that has been instructed. Once you are confirmed, you will be able to register yourself for online bank account on Merrick Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online banking account on Merrick Bank. Thank you.